Big Box of Shapes by Wiley Blevins. Illustrations by Elliot Kreloff. Lulu and Max found a box. It was filled with many shapes. Lulu pulled out a square. Then she took out a triangle. "I'll put it on top," she said. What did Lulu make? A house. "I will live in the house with my grandma and grandpa," said Lulu. Max took a big circle from the box. Then he added 3 smaller circles. "Now it needs a smile," said Max. What did Max make? A happy face. "That makes me smile too," said Lulu. "Look," yelled Lulu, "a rectangle." She added 2 small circles and a square to it. What did Lulu make now? A truck. Vroom, vroom. Lulu shared her shapes with Max. "Thank you," said Max. "I will use them to make a hat for my happy face." Lulu and Max dug deeper into the box. They found more shapes. Lulu made a kite with a diamond and a magic wand with a star. Max made a turtle with an oval and sunglasses with 2 hearts. "There are so many shapes in here," said Lulu and Max. What else can we make?" Lulu and Max stacked the shapes up, up, up. And what did they make? A big mess. What shapes do you see? What can you make? Friends, try to make a picture out of some shapes and share them on Seesaw. Have fun!